Okay, you guys are gonna cry now.
Hola!
He pissed on me. Where's that? We reached the albergue of Candido.
Está aquí todo. Sí.
So yes, that's the view. Good morning. Lucia. Hello.
Hello, buenos días, good morning.
Peter.
Buenos días.
El indizio, there. Aquí. Hey. Ezio Claudio. Uè, ciao. E Didi.
Hola!
E José. Eccolo. Okay guys, the madness begins. It's Lugo, gadget time. Buenos dias. Ah, I need to buy a magnet for my collection. I go for this.
See, look,
See, indeed.
this is the typical dress in Lugo.
As today we have a bit of time because it's a short route. How many kilometers today? 19?
Oh, less than 20 definitely, something like 16, 18.
So we have a bit of time to go through Lugo, buy some gadgets and presents. Yeah, wow, we're missing this.
Santiago,
So I is to San Romao.
San Román y mañana Melide.
That is a really big whale. That whale is the same size as like
19 kilometers.
Half of
Just going through Lugo. It's really nice town. You guys should stop. Mi amigo, ¿también? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. That's what I do when I travel. I talk to statues, my best friends.
As I go walking this land of fathers, I see dreams and the buildings they wrought. I see mountains and plains they did conquer. I see people in lines round the block.
Second breakfast. We left the albergue, time to walk. First drone shot of the day on the bridge, and we're ready to carry on. Belgrade style, we start eating stuff we find on the road. Manzanas, apples, directly from a tree. Man, it's nice. Okay guys, we found a membrillo. No idea what that is. It looks like a pear or an apple. Never eaten before. Saca manzanas. Okay, you guys are gonna cry now. YouTube, thousands of views now.
Hola!
Oh, wow. Look at this thing. Oh. Ciao. Mi ha pisciato addosso. Oh, maledetto. He pissed on me. Bastardo. Little bastard. Martiños, que no pueden caminar. Guarda come vola. Qui su YouTube, ragazzi, milioni di follower. Se mangia il microfono. Guarda. Ciao.
¿Qué pasa, hombre?
So that made our day. Wow, how can we leave this behind? Oh, look at this. Okay, we need to run or they're gonna fall. Vamos. Oh, no. They're coming. So Peter and me saw this little church. We let the guys go and we explore a little bit. And with Peter, we're talking about the different landscapes we went through. So in Asturias, the routes were more difficult because they were going up and down. That's what gives you like the different landscaping as well.
Yeah, I was saying that it's interesting. You'll go 2 days and hardly notice it. Then after 2 days, you look around and go, wow, this is so different. It's really cool.
And here in Galicia it's quite flat and it kind of looks the same so far, at least.
Like England. Anyway, we're here at the church.
Oh, here at the church.
Yes.
Don't even need to break it. It's so...
I broke.
Yeah. No. Okay, we leave. Okay, tip of the day, mind your head when you go under the trees because fruit drops. We're getting food. Right, go on, Peter. Yes. One, and now let's try to grab this as well. I let Peter try first. Quick pit stop to recharge the batteries, a bit of water, nuts, and back on track. I did some handstands too. Okay, we got a couple of hours to go, maybe 10 kilometers away. So here in Galicia we can find some of these little storage rooms as well. They look like they're, or they all, or whatever you pronounce it, no one knows. But they're a bit different and smaller. 87 almost kilometers to Santiago and almost 5 to our next stop. So yeah, today is not the best of the routes. It's just on the road, which is not very nice. Nature is almost the same, so it's okay. It's one of those, it's quite boring.
I woke up to the first light of day. I closed the door and I was on my way. I was gone like the river. I'll be gone like the river. And the song.
Done some drone time with the cows and I can't wait to eat. The guys are already there somewhere and Google doesn't work here, so useless. So let's just keep going until we find the place. This is the life in these towns. I see a sign for a restaurant 100 meters away. Maison de Crescente. I don't know what part of my leg is not aching right now. Yes. Noah and Gitano. This is the place. Hola, chicos. Bueno, bravo.
Bastardos.
Gracias.
Bye
bye.
Gracias.
Wow, we've eaten again. That's hard to start walking now. As if you go to this place called Maison de whatever it was, don't drink alcohol in there.
And on that farm he had a
Cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
La granja de Pepito, ia-ia-o.
We reached the albergue o Candido. We got the room number 7. Wow. Hello. First impression of this albergue? Pretty crap. Small rooms, 11 beds in a room. All the electric plugs are in one corner, so you need to bother everyone. There's no bed lights, so you can't read. Not a good first impression for 10 euros. Guys, we've eaten like 2 hours ago and we are eating again. We got some salad and chicken. Gosh, always hungry here.
Per la materia.
Italiani. So Jose here was saying this is not Camino de Santiago, this is a Camino Gastronomico. Gastronomy way, it's not a pilgrimage. Gosh.
Mariano.
Bravo.
Qué contento nos vamos a poner, Mariano.
¿Cómo se llama esto, José?
Se llama caimada.
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 Right guys, this is a caimada. It's a mix of alcohol and fruit and stuff.
Gasolina.
Pura.
Mira. Mira si.
Y la oración de la bruja.
O sabes que veían ver esto y pues comen un postre. Wow. Y vamos a pagar a luz.
How is it, Peter?
Really good. Kind of strong. Really
Yeah.
good.
When I started this kind of review about the place, yeah, the place is not great, but it's the only place where we actually did something traditional, like this little drink right here. So it's been quite nice, and the food is good and a lot as well. Per Naveteria! Right guys, I'm gonna close here this episode today. It was good fun. Please consider to subscribe, and if you want to share these videos for other people to learn what is going on during the pilgrimage, I hope it's gonna help you. It's really tiring, but yes, it's good fun. So see you tomorrow. In the next episode. Sun is coming out. I'm already tired. So good. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.